What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another trade recap. So in this video I'm going to talk about the two trades that I took on Thursday and Friday. And in this video you guys going to have some learning out of me, like out of my mistake. Because on Thursday I broke my rules, some of my rules, like trading more trades. Like I took two trades and it was out of FOMO, not out of like pure, like it wasn't like a plus setup or anything. And I'm allowed to trade from 9:30 to 11. So I took that trade around 11:30 ish. So that's number two rule. So I broke so many rules on that day. So let's talk about the Thursday one first. So in this trade right here, I'm not gonna go fully in depth, but I'm gonna give you guys some summary of what happened. So we New York opens and it manipulates, just like I said in the past videos. Like New York gonna open and it gonna manipulate, and NQ took out this low, and ES did not take this low, but both of the indexes was making two SMTs. So ES did not take this low, so ES was making a bullish SMT, and also on the lower time frame, ES took out this high, but NQ did not take this high, so it was making a bearish SMT2 on NQ. So I took this trade off of the lower time frame one. I did not prioritize the higher time frame one. This was the 30-minute SMT. You guys should prioritize the higher time frame SMT first, rather than trading off of this small time frame. So it make this SMT, and it gave the move down, and it after that it like blows to the roof. So this was kind of my trade. I took this trade off of this inverse fair value gap and breakup structure, and it retraces back into this order block and also order breakup block. And I waited for a 1 minute breakup structure and entered off of here. So that was the first trade. It was totally fine. I was totally fine losing $160. I trailed my stop loss after it break below this low. So yeah, so that was my trade. So after that trade, I took the trade on 11:30 maybe. I took that trade off of like totally out of FOMO, and I was like chasing the profits. I was chasing my loss. I was trying to recover my loss because in this trade, after this trade, I went into drawdown again. So it kind of played with my psychology. I know I shouldn't be trading like that. But yeah, that day I was totally fucked up. So the reason that I took that trade, because I trailed my stop loss in this trade and I only lost $160. And and I remember that my daily loss limit for me, like for my rules, my daily loss limit is $250, and I lost only 160. So I still got some more to spend, for more money to spend. You guys should not do that. If you guys got a red day, just get off the charts and just move on. We got markets every day, so you guys should not do that. Um, so after thinking that, I took that trade out of FOMO, and I lost another maybe $90. I'm gonna put all the screenshot like PNL and also that trade. I'm not gonna go into explaining that trade. I'm gonna put the screenshot somewhere around here. So yeah, that was a trade on Thursday. I learned a lot from that. Um, so yeah, you guys should learn from me too, because don't take any trades out of FOMO, or maybe like chasing your losses, chasing your profits and shit. Don't ever do that. It's gonna fuck up your PNL more. Maybe you can get lucky one day, but the next day you're gonna fuck it up. Like literally, market's gonna take all the profits from you guys. So make sure to protect your capital. If you got a funded account, just make sure to protect your funded account, bro. Like literally, risk less and follow your rules and everything, and you will be totally fine. So yeah, this was a Thursday trade, and let's move on to the Friday one. So I took this trade on S&P 500. So I'm going to talk about bias and everything, and also the manipulation leg. So we were so close to like all-time highs, and every day it opens and it just skyrocket to the roof. So I was kind of bullish, and it also gave me so many confluences to go to the upside, take some longs. So going into the day, um, on the 4 hour, I mark out these highs right here, these highs, and we also were in this fair value gap, 4 hour fair value gap. So that was the thing. Um, on 4 hour, we had this low. There's nothing much to be honest on 4 hours. So on the 1 hour chart, we got this all of these lows, these highs. Um, Nothing too much to be honest. And on the 30 minute, we got this London low, which it took out. Um, where is it? Yeah, during pre-market, it took out the London low. So another thing, which told me we're gonna go to the upside. So yeah, and we also mark out all of this in NQ2. So it was making a SMT out of this. This was 1 hour. Yeah, this was a 1 hour, 1 hour low. So we were making a SMT with ES on 1 hour. So that's number one confluence to be bullish, and second also we manipulate to the downside during pre-market. This time it happened during pre-market and it took out all the London low. So that's another confluence to go like look at this. During London it was consolidating, and during pre-market it took out the lows, it manipulates and it started distributing. So um, that was like it kind of intuition of the market, but yeah. Also all of this confluences backed my bias, so that's another thing. It took out this 1 hour low on NQ and made an SMT. Then it broke structure on the 5 minute. So that's number two confluence. And then it came down into this um, sorry, breaker block. Sorry, it came down into this breaker block, and it also inverses this fair value gap. So SMT, break of structure, breaker block, IFBG. So four confluences, and it was a A plus setup. So I didn't hesitate to take this trade, and all of my take profit was this. My take profit was this 4 hour high. It was a maybe 4 hour high. No, sorry, it's the starting of this fair value gap, and maybe it was a no, it was like starting of the fair value gap. So all of my positions were I took out all of my positions right there. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In like 20 minutes, it took all of my take profits, and yeah, I made around $303. I'm gonna put the PNL somewhere around here. So it was a great trade, and I followed all of my rules. Overall, I was totally patient and totally calm about my trade. It's like the thing, if you are not patient with the if you got no patience with the market and your setup, you're not going to go anywhere. So that's the one thing that I've learned from my mistakes and also from the market. After taking a lot of losses like in the forex too, I've learned this thing that if you take some trade out of FOMO, or maybe you are chasing your losses, you're trying to recover your all of your losses, is this market's gonna fuck you up, and you gotta stay patient, man. So be patient and make sure to like take your setups, make sure to follow your rules and everything, and market's gonna reward you if you follow your rules. So make sure to do that. And it was a trading recap right here. It was a small trade recap, and also I framed my certificate like right here. I I framed this one. It looks really good to be honest. it like shows me my hard work and everything. It gives me a feeling of accomplishment, that I have achieved something in my life after like struggling for a lot. So this was a thing. I'm really happy about making this decision of like framing this certificate. So yeah, that was it. And yeah, make sure to join my Discord server, and also follow me on Instagram, and maybe you can follow me on Twitter too. I'm gonna put up the Instagram ID and Twitter ID, and also the link of my Discord server is in the description and also in the comment section. So make sure to join. And yeah, if you guys got any type of questions, you can ask me there personally, and also you can comment below this video. I will answer all of your questions. So yeah, that was it. That was it for the today. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.